Imagine your web form submissions instantly appearing in a perfectly organized Google Sheet without you lifting a finger. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to achieve that automation using Zapier, a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps. First, you'll need to log in to your Zapier account at Zapier.com if you don't have one. Signing up is quick and easy, and there's a free plan to get you started. Once logged in, simply click the Create Zap button to begin building your automation. Now, in the Trigger section, we need to select the app where your web form lives. This could be Typeform, Google Forms, JotForm, or many others. Let's say we're using Typeform, for example. Next, choose the trigger event for most forms. This will be something like New Entry or New Submission. You'll then be prompted to connect your web form account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier access. After connecting your account, Zapier will try to pull in a sample submission. This is crucial for the next step. Now let's set up the action in the search bar. Type Google Sheets and select it. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier to add a new row to your Google Sheet. You'll need to connect your Google Sheets account here too again. Just follow the simple authentication prompts. Now for the mapping. Select your Google Drive and then the specific Google Sheet you want to populate. You'll then see your form fields and the columns in your Google Sheet. Simply click on a column header in the Google Sheet and select the corresponding form field from the drop-down menu to map them. For example, map your form's name field to the name column in your sheet. Do this for all the fields you want to capture. Finally, test your action. Zapier will show you a preview of what the new row in your Google Sheet will look like. Once you're happy, click Publish Zap. And that's it. Your Zap is now live. Every new submission from your web form will automatically create a new row in your Google Sheet, perfectly organized and ready for analysis.